Question number 9. To stitch a shirt, 2 meter 15 centimeter cloth is needed. Out of 40 meter cloth, how many shirts can be stitched and how much cloth will remain? यानी यहाँ पे हमें क्वेश्चन कुछ इस तरह से है कि हमें एक शर्ट बनाने के लिए 2 मीटर 15 सेंटीमीटर क्लॉथ की रिक्वायरमेंट है. हमारे पास टोटल 40 मीटर क्लॉथ्स है. तो क्वेश्चन ये है कि आउट ऑफ 40 मीटर क्लॉथ्स हम कितने शर्ट स्टिचेस कर पाएंगे एंड कितना क्लॉथ्स हमारे पास रिमेनिंग बचेगा. वी हैव टू गिवन वन हिंट हियर, कन्वर्ट डाटा इन सेंटीमीटर. यहाँ पे हमें जो डाटा है वो सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है. So let's start. First one, to convert the data in centimeter, we must have to remember the relationship between centimeter and a meter. So 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. We must have to remember these one. Without these one, we can't to do these type of sum. So to stitch a shirt, we have to need 2 meter 15 centimeter cloth. 2 meter 15 centimeter. So it will be 2 meter means 200 centimeter plus 15 centimeter. So it will be 215 centimeter. We have total 40 meters cloth. We have 40 meter cloth. 40 meter means when we convert into centimeter, it will be 4000 centimeter. 4000 centimeter. So now we have to total 4000 centimeter. From that we have to make the 215 centimeter of shirt. Okay, so we have to do divide 4000 divided by 215. So 4000 divided by 215. So let's start. 215 ones are 215, subtraction 0 minus 5, it will be 5 here, 9 minus 1, 8, 4 minus 2, 3 minus 2, 1. So 185, we have to take here 0. So 215, we have to reach up to the 1850 or less than 1850. So let's to do in rough work. It may be 215 we have to do multiply with 8. 8 5s are 40, 8 1s are 8 plus 4, 12, 7. So it is 1720. Yes, we can take it 1720. Subtraction 0, 5 minus 2, 3, 8 minus 7, 1, 1 minus 1, 0. So it is with 8. Okay. So we have remainers 130 and quotient 18. That means from 4000 centimeter cloth we can make 18 shirts and 130 centimeter is cloth remaining. So we have write by this way. Shirts can be stitched. 18 shirts can be stitched and 130 centimeter cloth will Question number 10. A medicine is packed in a boxes, each weighed 4 kg, 500 gram. How many such boxes can be loaded in a van which cannot carry beyond 800 kg? यानी यहाँ पे एक मेडिसिन का बॉक्स है जिसका वेट है 4 kg 500 ग्राम और उसको एक वैन में ले जाना है, लेकिन वैन की लोडेड कैपेसिटी है 800 kg, यानी 800 kg से ज़्यादा लोड है वो वैन कैरी नहीं कर पाएगा। तो हमें यहाँ पे ये फाइंड करना है कि 4 kg 500 ग्राम के जो मेडिसिन के पैकेट है वो कितने इस वैन में हम ले जा पाएंगे। यानी 4 kg 500 ग्राम के हमें इतने बॉक्सेस बताने हैं जिसका वेट 800 kg तक लिमिट हो, तो ये हमें चीज फाइंड करनी है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। The weight of box of medicine is 4 kg 500 gram. Here we have to given the data in 2 unit, that is kg and gram. So remember these one things. Whenever we have to given the two types of unit in the one question, we must have to convert the data in 1 unit. यानी यहाँ पे हमें kg and ग्राम में डाटा दिया है, तो इसको हमें या तो ग्राम में पूरा कन्वर्ट करना चाहिए या तो kg में। So here we have to convert into kg. So 4 kg 500 gram, it is 4.5 kg. And the capacity of the van is 800 kg. So the capacity of van is 800 kg. You also remember one thing, that 1 kg equals to 1000 gram. Okay, so you have to remember 1 kg equals to 1000 gram. You must have to remember these relationship. Without these one, you can't do this type of sum. So now we have to do divide 800 divided by 4.5 kg. Here we have to take these two unit, 800 and 4.5, which is both the same unit, kg, kg. Okay. So now in denominator we have to the number 4.5. If we want to remove these 1 point, we have to take the 10 in numerator. So it will be 8000 4.5. यहाँ पे पॉइंट के बाद 1 डिजिट है, इसलिए हमने न्यूमरेटर में 10 लगाया। अगर यहाँ पे पॉइंट के बाद 2 डिजिट होते तो हम न्यूमरेटर में 20 लगाते। Sorry. So here it will be 8000 divided by 45. We have to remove these point. Okay? क्यों हमने पॉइंट रिमूव किया? क्योंकि हमारा कैलकुलेशन उसकी वजह से इजी हो जाएगा। So now let's start. Simplify these one. So it will be 9, 5 9s are 45, and here 5 1s are 5, 16, 1600. When you divide 8000 by 5, you will get the 1600. So now we have 1600 divided by 9. Just to do in rough part, 1600 divided by 9. 9 ones are 9. So it will be 7 x 0. 9 sevens are 63. 7 again take 0. 9 sevens are 63. again 7, then we show here 7 is remainder and 177 is quotient. So we have to carry 177 box in this van. So we can write we can carry 177 boxes.